Hello everyone, welcome to the Salesforce internship program. Today we are at 19th episode. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a path in our Salesforce Power applications, right? So here we are going to enable the path for our these two objects called application request and code. Before we start discussing about what is the path, how it will look like, let's see. Okay. I'm going to do the Google search. If you see this one is green or blue icon, so this is we call a guided path actually. In this guided path, you have a couple of highlighted fields where you can directly edit and you have guidance for this success actually. So guidance for success will tell you, okay, these are all important field that we have to update before we move forward with the steps, before we move forward with the status, right? So every record has sometime it has a status. As we see in my application request we have a status, in my code we have a status field, right? So we need to use this path. And how we can use this, let's see the in detail. Go to the your setup, click on a setup and just search for the path, right? In a path setting, just click on this one and then click on enable button. We are enabling this a path for now. We need to create a new path. Click on a new path. Just give a name called path name called application request path, right? And then choose a object name called application request. I don't have a record type here, and application status is my a path to display, right? I do not want to show any field. You can add an update field. If you are on a new, you can have some information. If you are on an interview state, please take, you can put information called please take interview with customer and update the. Okay, after setting up these values as a guided success message, and then in qualified we are going to put a call qualify and convert this application request, and then hit a next button. Once you are done, just activate this path. uh, when activate your path, the key fields guidance not ready to make this path available, save it and activate it later actually. So I'm just going to activate this for now and then hit save button for now. Finish this button. So now what we did, we have created a new path for our application request. Let's go ahead and create another path for our quote object also. Call quote path, right? So we need to select a quote here, and then we need to select a status as a picklist values. So in a send to customer, we can say like send PDF to customer. In quote acceptance accepted by customer, please update customer accepted date. Here we can add a field called customer accepted date and then hit save button. Now agreement sent to customer, I'm not putting any logic here or any text here. Then hit go and activate and then click on finish button. So far we have created two paths. Now we need to add this path on my application request for the application path. So let's open one of these application request. Click on a edit page for now from the setup. Now here you see, just search for path here, click on a path and then add to the layout, and then we have called, we can see called linear or non-linear. So we are looking for linear. We are also, we can hide update button. I do not want to show the update button for now, so let's make it linear. What is non-linear here? Linear and non-linear. I don't see much difference, but let's see. Okay, so put it like a standard one called linear one, and then hide this update path button. I do not want to show the button called update, and then hit save button for now, and then go back to the application request. So now you see the current status of this one is called um, application status is a new. I can go ahead and change to a interview started. Then once you are done with the application, you are on our interview started. Then we have a guidance message called application. Please take an interview with the customer and update the requirement description. Now let's do the same exercise for our code also. Let's go ahead and add the path to the code detail page. Now search for the component from here, drag and drop the path, and then hide this path as a linear. You see the setup path, code path is already available, and hit save button. Click on activate. Assign org as a default, desktop and phone. Click on next and save. Right, so you are done with updating a lightning record page for now. Now you see the I have on a new customer status, then we can say like a send to customer, then go to accepted by customer, and then they are all uh, what you call status button are coming, right? So we can see the path successfully here, right? So this is what path will give you the your more user UI enhances. So this way we can enhance the UI of the particular application actually. So this is what all about our creating a path within the Power Reader app, CRM app. Thanks once again. Thanks for joining the Salesforce internship program. Stay tuned for the more updates.